Well, good morning, afternoon or evening friends and fellow YouTubers, and after nearly 9 years, the time is now here for a new computer. This video will be a short introduction about how this will help me with my music videos and is not a detailed review. That will happen later. Now, the reason for this upgrade is that having used Logic as my digital audio workstation since 2003, I'd now like to get to know everything about it from scratch, and as such, I need to run the latest version. So after 9 years, my 2015 iMac has been replaced with this Mac Mini, itself possibly a stopgap machine, whilst waiting for future upgrades as and when I need them. This is an entry-level M2 with 256GB of solid-state storage and 16GB of RAM added, and I've chosen this for two reasons. Firstly, I'm not going to be doing anything as graphically intensive at this stage as I eventually hope to. This M2 will be mainly for music creation, videos including tutorials, and for me to continue my own learning of video editing and animation software ready for future musical projects. And as I continue to learn more about non-linear editing programs and eventually going on to animation, so my computer upgrades will grow as well. Now, the other reason for me getting an entry level was also to factor in the cost of the display, and I decided to go for Apple's own Studio display as it integrates seamlessly with the Mac Mini, has the same build and minimalist aesthetics, and is 5K, all of which are my primary requisites for musical content creation in my home project setup whilst replacing my previous machine. This display was released in the spring of 2022 and has since received numerous reviews, both in articles from various outlets as well as many videos, and fair to say it has received a range of ratings while sparking off much discussion. So rather than trying to rehash another review, I am going to list its key specifications while promising a much more detailed review from a musician standpoint when I complete upgrading my entire setup, hopefully in 2025. Suffice it to add that for my Mac Mini and future Apple machines, this is a perfect replacement for my iMac, and I could well have two of these for my music creation. Further down the line, I might also augment these with one from the likes of ISO, but that's for a future video. But this first of two Apple unboxing videos is the beginning of a new chapter, and long may it continue. Thanks for watching, folks, and have a good evening.